Oh, leave the door closed, you're fine.
Right. Look at her.
Yeah, what are you doing? What are you doing, Dad?
Take a
Fine.
shot of her.
No, I'm doing a video recording. Come on, close that shit, Dad. I'm
Well,
fucking recording. I'm not taking a fucking photo.
Oh.
I'm recording it. Taking a video recording.
Oh my God, is that deep?
Hey, come closer! Come closer in this shit!
Oh my God.
Hey, come over here!
Alright.
Yeah! Hey, while you're out there, shovel!
I told her to do that.
This is easy. You see that?
Yeah.
What's she doing?
Alright, I'm going back in.
Take a shot of her, right?
Let me take a shot, hold up.